Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Mojidelicious Treat. In today's video tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to cover your square cake in fondant using paneling method. So if you are interested in this video, follow me and let's get started. Here is my square cake and I have 3 of these layer of square cake in vanilla. So what I'm doing now is leveling my cake so that one will not be higher than the other. I am going to do so for the 3 layers of cake. So I'm trying to level both sides so that the cake will be well level, and that's what I'm doing here, guys. After leveling those layers of cake, I'll be stacking them on my board, and I'm using butter icing fillings here, so I'll be stacking the 3 cake together. Next, I'll be trimming my cake in order for me to get a very neat square cake. And one thing you must consider when you are trimming your cake is that you have to be careful when trimming your cake, especially those corners, so that you don't end up ruining those corners of your cake. So be careful while trimming your cake. So for good trimming, make sure you use a serrated knife or bread knife that is very sharp, not blunt, okay? If you are in this channel for the first time, I want to say you are welcome to this great family. Please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Subscribe so that you can see more of amazing video in this channel. God bless you as you do so. I'm done trimming my cake, so I'm checking with this leveler if my cake is well leveled. I'll be measuring the length and breadth of my cake to know the right size of fondant I'll be placing on the cake. And before placing the fondant, I crumb coated my cake with butter icing so that the fondant can stick well to the cake. I'm flipping the cake over in order for me to cut the excess fondant around the cake. And please, when you are doing this, make sure you use a sharp knife so that you can have a clean cut. I'll be doing same thing with the sides as well, coating the sides, then after placing my fondant on it. As you do this, please make sure the butter icing doesn't touch the fondant. And so I'll be using some edible glue on the fondant so that when I place the fondant, it can glue nicely. Please, if you find this video very helpful, please do well to like and share the video. Thank you as you do so. If you look at the cake closely, you see that where we cut the fondant are still showing a bit. So what I will do is make a thin fondant, and I'll be placing it on the cake. So before you place it on the cake, make sure you put some edible glue, so that I think I didn't show that while filming this cake. So make sure you put some edible glue so that the fondant can stick nicely to the cake. And I'll be cutting the excess fondant around the cake. Can you see the cake is beautiful and it's neat now? So I applied some cornstarch on the fondant so that I can smoothen it out very nicely with my smoother. As you can see, the cake is looking beautiful and neat, so I'll go ahead and decorate it. I'm done decorating the cake. Look at how beautiful our cake is looking. So thanks for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.